Today, oh, wow. That is strong. I sprayed some air freshener in here, and honestly, it was very, very strong, so I had to just open up my window. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Il Makiage foundation. Again, with the content you did not ask for, but you're finna get. I did purchase this foundation myself, so I'm so excited to be 100% honest about this foundation. And the reason why I purchased this foundation was because I honestly saw so many girls on Instagram talking about this foundation, so many influencers, and they just, I know I look really crazy because I don't have neck to begin with. Let me just open this. Whatever, we'll keep it like this for now. I have a short neck, so that just makes my neck look shorter. So anyways, I've seen a lot of girls on Instagram talking about this foundation, a lot of influencers, and they were like, oh my god, it's my perfect match, it's a quiz. And I worked at Sephora, meaning I matched girls' foundations every single day, and so I know what a good match is. And just to give you guys some context, I would match about 50 girls in one day. Girls of all races, all backgrounds, with my eye. So this quiz for me was really mind-blowing, and I'm really here. I'm not gonna be soft. No ma'am, because I purchased this $60 Canadian, and I am so excited to really give this a full review, because the way that this product was expensive, it's gonna have to be as good as NARS, because NARS is like this price. It has to be good as Guerlain. It has to be good as those high fashion, high brand foundations, because of the price tag that's associated with this face. Okay, so let me open it up and show you guys what we're working with. The box that it came in, the shipping did take honestly a while, but I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt, and I'm gonna say coronavirus. So it comes with this packaging. It tells you inside the box how it works. You can see. So it says, try these products for free. Well, sorry, not for free, because you have to pay to try it, but try these products 14 days starting on the day they were delivered. If you like them, you pay. If you don't, send it back within 14 days of delivery. At the end of the trial, you'll only be charged for the products you keep. So, and then it comes with how to apply it, which is nice. So they're saying blend it with a brush or sponge. Then they say wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set, so that I'm gonna assume from that this foundation does oxidize. And then it's saying don't match to your neck or to your wrist. They're different skin tone than your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's the perfect shade for you. So it comes in this box that looks like this. It's a really nice box, I'm not gonna front, and then you have the product here. So I woke up like this, flawless. So this is what it looks like. This is my face, this is what it looks like. I got this from doing a quiz. It is a really nice bottle, I'm not gonna lie. But in terms of sizing, okay, very, very yellow, but I like it. And this is it beside the Dior Backstage body. I wish they gave us a sample of a primer, because I don't know what primer to use. I'm gonna stick with what I know. I'm gonna use the Banabright primer by Hendrickson. This is what it looks like here. And I'm gonna use a pump, and I'm gonna use that on my buffing brush from Sephora. You've probably seen this brush in my videos before because I really like this. You know, you guys could have definitely threw in a sample of a primer, so I'm like, oh, this is the primer that goes with this foundation. I'm gonna purchase this again. Or I really liked it, I should purchase it. So it does come with a pump, which is really nice. This is the first time that I'm going to be trying this foundation on my face. I did pump it and swatch it before, so I'm going to just do one pump because I think, how many pumps did they say? Apply 2 pumps, so I'll just follow the direction and do 2 pumps. And we're going to apply to the entire face. Oh. Yes. So my camera cut off because the storage was full. Okay, 1 pump. 2 pumps is not enough to do my face because I need coverage. Yo. You gotta be playing with me right now. It feels very light. I'm just gonna be honest. It feels very light. You guys did that. You did that. It's awesome. I'm not even gonna front. Now let's just go into some details. In terms of coverage, I'm sure it's buildable. It gave me pretty good coverage, but you can still see my acne stars poking through. The color I find is really spot on. It's still I think it's gonna oxidize, so it might set in to be exactly my foundation shade. And that was from a quiz. I can't believe this. I thought I was gonna come on here and be big mad because I'm just gonna be real with you guys. Like, I was like, this price is expensive. You know, are they trying to say that this product, you know, matches up to NARS and such, and like Guerlain's? You know, based on the price point, I think that's a fair argument to say. And I wasn't able, I mean, they charged my card. It wasn't like I was able to wait and then I guess, you know, say I don't like it and then you charge my card, you know. So I was like, I was disappointed. I'm not even gonna front to you guys. I was mad. So I was like, I'm gonna come up here and just let y'all know my mind. And I was like, this foundation isn't even popping. And I'm trying this foundation on, and you know, in a real life scene, it's popping. And on camera, you guys can see for yourself it's popping. So what do I say now to you guys? So this is what I'm gonna say. This is not a foundation that you're gonna find in your local beauty store. This is an online thing. That really depends on the voices of influencers. And I personally did not watch big YouTubers, big influencers review because I wanted to be impartial and I wanted to give my knowledge and I wanted to be like, you know, like I have sense too. Let me give my opinion. Let me not base it on what these influencers are saying. Now, I was not happy with the shipping and how long it took, and I wasn't happy with the lack of transparency in terms of the fact that your card is gonna be your card is gonna be charged faster than 14 days. So you are paying to sample a product. This is not like Sephora where you can go in and get a free sample. You are going to pay for your sample, but your sample is a full-size product. I suspect that this company might see a little bit of issues in the future if a lot of people like this foundation. I don't think they're going to be able to continue that standard for a very long time, because I personally see some loopholes in where customers might be able to finesse the system. But you know, beyond that, I think this foundation is really beautiful. I'm going to wear it for the full day. Mommy, give me your opinion on this foundation.
Oh, well, it's nice to have you ask me for my opinion.
No, please just talk normal.
Well, this looks natural. This just look like you're not even wearing foundation. It looks, beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and then give me your opinion, okay? Okay, give me your honest opinion now.
I'm telling you that it looks great. It looks so natural. It looks like I would want to have my face done with that foundation. Because
how much do you think this foundation costs?
Well, I think that this foundation costs maybe $60–70. Yeah, like maybe one of those foundations that you would get in Sephora. That
Do you like it?
I love it. I could see myself wearing. Are you taping me? I could see myself wearing it.
Final thoughts on the Il Makiage foundation. So initially when I got this foundation, I just really loved it. I was head over heels for the fact that it gave me such a good match based on a quiz. It brought me back to my childhood reading those magazines and you find out what your future is based on a quiz. But the feature was good for this foundation, I can say. I love the frosted bottle and I love the fact that the box was sturdy enough to keep my product. I understand those that are concerned about sustainability and the environment may not like that, but I tend to keep my boxes so you can always do that. Now, I kind of wish that I did watch other influencer videos and really listen to what they said before purchasing this product, because in terms of the waiting for shipping and in terms of how the payments and paying everything kind of went out, I wasn't really understanding. And then in terms of, lack of diversity and stuff that are going on in the media with that model's hand. But other than that, I give this foundation a 6 out of 10. I think it's great if you like to purchase it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Mwah!